Russian news agency Avia.pro yesterday reported an incident of confrontation between Indian Air Force and Chinese PLA Air Force in the airspace over Ladakh border region. Although we cannot cross-check the reality of this report. According to the Russian news agency, yesterday high activity of Chinese J-11 and J-16 fighters was noticed on the border between India and China, which could be used to strike at the positions of the Indian military. Against this background, the Indian Air Force took to the skies its Su-30 and MiG-29 combat aircraft, which not only drove the Chinese fighters out of the contested airspace, but also forced the Chinese Air Force pilots to return to base, demonstrating clear air superiority, Avia.pro reported. According to the data available to the news agency Avia.pro, the flights were made from the Hoth Air Base, which, according to the Indian Military Command, can be used to strike at the territory of the country. Nevertheless, the matter did not come to any direct clashes, although in recent weeks a rather tense situation has been observed in the region, since each of the sides concentrates its forces here. It should be noted that in China they are rather wary of the Indian Su-30 and MiG-29 fighters, and this is probably why the pilots of the PLA Air Force did not escalate, the news agency reported. According to some reports, the reason for the appearance of Chinese fighters in the disputed airspace on the border of China and India was the military exercises of the PLA. The Shenyang J-11 and J-16 are twin-engine fighter jets, which are Chinese copy of the Russian Sukhoi Su-27 and Su-30 jets. Thank you everyone for watching this video.